All right, here's our Saxon Lesson 24. We are talking about combination AR that makes the sound today. Not R, but Yesterday we went over the sounds making the R sound. Today we're going over making the sound, okay? So let's review before we start the lesson. Let's see. We're going to listen for syllables today. What are syllables? Dominic? Very good. The sounds in a word. So I will say some words. Some of them may be long, some short. I want you to figure out how many syllables these words have, and then you're going to hold up that many fingers. Got it? The first word is September. Clap it out. September. How many? 3. Good job. There are 3. What about the word kindergarten? How many? 4. Excellent job. Let's see, what else? Select. 2. Very good. Invitation. 4. Very good. Ordinary. 4. Try that again. Ordinary. 4. Very good. Family. 3. Family. Very good. Family. How about secretary? Secretary. 4. Secretary. 4. How about carnival? Carnival. 3. Excellent job. All right, let's go over our letter card, picture card, and sight word card. Okay, are you ready? A, E, I, O, U, V, W, X, Y, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, X, Z, X, diagram C, K, diagram D, H, diagram S, H, diagram C, H, diagram combination E, R. Combination E, R. Combination I, R. Combination U, R. Combination Q, U. Combination A, R. Excellent job. All right. Now our picture cards. Apple, A. Apple, A. Acorn, A. Acorn, A. Elephant, E. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Equal, E. Inch, E. Inch, E. Icicle, I. Icicle, I. Octopus, O. Octopus, O. Overalls, O. Overalls, O. Umbrella, Umbrella, Unicorn, U. Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Balloon, B. Cat, Cat. Dog, D. Dog, D. Fish, Fish. Goat, G. Goat, G. Hat, Hat. Jar, J. Jar, J. Kite, Kite. Lion, O. Lion, O. Monkey, M. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Nest, N. Pig, Pig. Rabbit, Rabbit, Sun, Sun. Tent, Tent. Vest, V. Vest. Wagon, W. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Zebra. Fox, X. Fox. Duck, Duck. Feather, Z. Feather. Thimble,
Venable.
Shark,
Shark.
cheese,
Cheese.
anchor,
Anchor.
chef,
Chef.
rose,
Rose.
butter,
Butter.
bird,
Bird.
turtle,
Turtle.
quilt, qua,
Quilt.
star, r.
Star.
Very good. Thank you for the ones that are actually looking while they're saying it. You are the ones that are going to get all of them right when we spell them. Okay, and that's going to be in just a second. So thank you. All right, real quickly, our sight words.
8. 1.
Is this like 8? She ate an apple, or is this like the number 8?
Number 8.
The number 8. Good job. All right. What we will need today is our spelling and high frequency word practice. That says practice 24 at the top. I want you to follow along with me. You all have your papers. Next to number 1, I want you to write apple,
Apple.
Number 2, elephant,
Elephant.
3, inch,
Inch.
4, octopus, off.
Octopus.
5, umbrella,
Umbrella.
The next one, acorn, a. Number 7, equal, e.
Equal. E.
Number 8, icicle, I.
Icicle. I.
Number 9, overalls, o.
Overalls. O.
Number 10, unicorn, u.
Unicorn. U.
Number 11, balloon, b.
Balloon. B.
Number 12, dog, d.
Dog.
13, fish.
Fish.
14, goat, g.
Goat.
15, hat.
Hat.
16, jar, j.
George.
17, lion, ul.
Lion.
18, kite,
Kite.
duck.
Duck.
Very good. So much hard. I'm going to say that again. Kite,
Kite.
cat,
Cat.
duck.
Duck.
So on that line, you're going to write K, comma, C, comma, C, K. Good job. Just reminding you. That goes all under one line. The next one, monkey,
Monkey.
What number is monkey,
19.
Okay, the next one, nest,
Nest.
pig,
Pig.
rabbit,
Rabbit.
sun,
Sun.
vest,
Vest.
25, wagon,
Wagon.
26, yarn,
Yarn.
yes,
No, double. No, 24.
24 is vest.
Wait, what?
I don't know. Hey, I think your numbers are almost up. That's okay, Dominic. Just go ahead and do for number 20. Which one do you have blank? What's the next one you have blank? 24. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. For number 24, go ahead and write zebra,
No, we're
rose,
No, we're on number
Very
27.
good. Okay, then you write on number 27, rose, zebra. Okay, so that's Z, comma, S with a line through it. On the next one, you're going to write fox. That's an X. The next one, you're going to write feather. The next one, shark. The next one, cheese.
Cheese.
The next one, butter.
Butter.
The next one, quilt, qua.
Will.
The next one, star R.
Star. R.
What are you writing for star R?
A-R.
A-R, very good. There should be at least one line blank on the bottom.
No, two.
If there's two, that's okay. If there's one, that's okay. If there's four, that's okay.
What?
At least you tried. This is all just a participation. You're just supposed to try. Okay? So if you think yours are all messed up and you probably skipped one and you probably wrote one twice or your numbers are off, it's okay. I want everyone to take a deep breath in their nose. Let it out of your mouth. You still all got 100. How did I get 100? My answers aren't right. I'm going to freak out. Don't freak out. It's okay. I saw you were all working. As long as you wrote something down, I'm giving you 100 for your participation. So don't worry. Okay? Okay. Now let's move on. Turn it to the back. Next to number 1, where it says review words, I want you to write the word quick. Quick. How do we spell quick?
Q-U-I-C-K.
Number 2, cloth. Cloth. How do you spell cloth?
C-L-A.
No. Cloth. C-L-O-T-H. Cloth. C-L-O-T-H. That was number 2. I know, because my mask was on, and all you hear is the beginning sound, and you have no idea what the end sound is. I know. Now I took it off. Now you can see and hear me. Number 3, sharp.
Sharp.
No, not shark. Sharp.
Oh, sharp.
Like a knife is sharp. Okay. How do you spell sharp?
S-H-A-R-P.
Very good. Next to the sight words, number 4, they. How do you spell they, class?
T-H-E-Y.
Very good. T-H-E-Y. Next to number 5, today.
Day.
Today. How do you spell today, class?
T-O-D-A-Y.
Very good. Next to number 6, tomorrow. How do you spell tomorrow? T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. I'm going to repeat that again very slowly. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Okay. Echo these words and listen to the final position sound. Dollar. Collar. Tartar. What sound do you hear in the final position, class? R. Very good. R. Let's write those words down to find out what is making the R sound. As I write them down, I want you to echo them again. Dollar. Collar. Tartar. Okay, what is the final letters that are making the R sound, class? A-R. A-R is a combination. Very good. I'm really confused. I thought combination R said, combination AR said R. Like in the words tar, mar, star, right? Like tar, mar, and star, right? Remember yesterday we learned star? Okay. Let's code these words to see if we can figure out why the combination ARs are making 2 different sounds. Let's code them first and see.
Talking R.
How about here? Let's code this one. This is a VCCV. Division line. Breathe.
Accent. Accent.
Combination. Accent. Or I'm sorry, the accent is here. Okay. Color. VCCV. Division line. Breathe. Combination.
Accent.
Accent.
Because I saw you have that last time put it like in
Paper.
regular paper form. So I got you print off and laminate and I just forgot I had it and I couldn't.
It was in George's. It wasn't with me though. It was in Miss George's bucket. I took it out of hers.
Okay.
My second grade one was in her first grade
Oh,
bucket.
that's weird.
Yeah, but it's okay. I got it.
But when I
Thank you. No, you're okay. I figured it out.
maybe
Thank you.
because I saw that you had it. I'm glad you made that change. I was gonna tell you that.
Yeah, I did. I had to make it fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Moving on. Tartar. Okay, so it was a VCCV. You put a division line between the two consonants, and then combination AR, combination AR.
Double
Right?
AR.
Now let's code these words. These are only combinations. There's nothing else for me to do, right? Very good. Are these words accented? Yes. Why?
Because
Each one only has
one note.
one sound or one syllable. Very good. So let's go ahead and accent those words. So it's, say it with me. Tar,
Tar.
mar,
Mar.
star.
Star.
Very good. Okay. Look at these 6 words very carefully. Some of these combination AR say R, and some of them say Let's see if we can figure out why. Who knows when combination AR says R? When?
Whenever it's followed by one R.
Okay. These combination R's are in the accented syllables, and they each say R. Let's say these words together. Tar. Say it. Tar.
Tar.
Mar.
Mar.
Star.
Star.
Do you see any other combination ARs that are in an accented syllable? How about this one? There's 2 combinations here.
Oh, yeah.
Tartar. Yes.
Tar. What is that anyway?
What will this combination AR make? So the sound what? R. Very good. Because it is an accented syllable. How are other combination R's pronounced? The other ones are considered like dollar, caller. I see that a lot in your spelling when you're free writing or you're writing whatever you want to write. A lot of times you write the AR, it should be AR, but you hear it ER, and you write ER. It's not, it's AR. These combination ARs are pronounced Did you notice that these are unaccented syllables? So if they're unaccented syllables, that means there is not an accent on them, then they are pronounced And if there is an accent on them, like these, then and these should have had an accent on it, then it's R. That's how you pronounce it. Okay. The combination in accented syllables says R, and the combination in unaccented syllables say Do you think you'll always need to know where the accent is to know how to pronounce the word? Sometimes, right? Sometimes you can kind of figure it out. If you don't know how to pronounce a word that contains combination AR, try the R sound first because it's more common. If that word doesn't sound right, then try the sound next. If the word does make the R sound, you should accent the syllable the combination is in. So if neither sound makes a word, you know you can always look up the word in the dictionary. Okay, let's talk about some more things. We're going to pause the video real quickly and we'll talk about it in just a second. Okay, so let's keep going. We also said, so we stopped here. We talked about these words. Warm, say it after me. Warm,
Warm.
swarm,
Warm.
warp.
Warm.
Very good. Can anyone, let's read these words together. We just did. What sound do you hear in the medial position? Yes? No, we don't hear R. Let's try it again. Warm, swarm, warp. What sound, Christian? Or. Very good. What is making the or sound? Combination AR is making the or sound. What do you think is making combination AR say or this time? Let's see. The letter W is often bossy. It's the bossy W. So with the bossy W changes the sounds those letters would normally make. So who can tell me how we code these words? How do we code the combinations? With a arc. Arc. Very good. Arc. Arc. That's an R, by the way. Arc. Very good. All right. So remember, this one says warm. This is a bossy W. Anyway, let's keep going. Every time we see this card, we're going to say combination what? Every time we see this card, we're going to say combination AR. Excellent job. Okay, let's see. I also have the picture card is something that we should be able to know how to count, or we will be learning how to count in the second grade. What is it? Dollar. So every time you see this, you're going to say dollar-er. Because in this case, dollar makes the sound. In the other one, it was star R. This one is dollar-er. Okay, so let's try it again. Dollar-er. Awesome job. The key word is dollar. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to put that in our stack. Okay, we're moving on. All right, now let's see. Take out your spelling high frequency word practice. We are looking at number 7 now. We're going to practice using the combination AR that makes the sound. So next to number 7, I want you to write the word mustard. Mustard. Jacob Haney doesn't like mustard.
I love mustard.
I put the face shield on so I can take the mask off. Okay, so you can see my mouth. Okay, how do we spell mustard?
M-U-S-T-A-R-D.
Good, M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Next to number 8, I want you to write the word hangar. Hangar. Okay, H-A-N-G-A-R. Next to number 9, I want you to write custard. Custard, it's a kind of dessert. All right, how do we spell custard? C-U-S-T-A-R-D. Very good. Okay, we are going to practice coding these 2 words.
Are we doing boys against girls again?
No. Okay, let's see. Who wants to help me code the word? This one. I don't want to say it because I want you to read it when you're done. Ramsey. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you forgot.
Good job. What is the word? Curl. Curl. Very good. Dominic, go ahead. What's this one? Okay, then what? 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 Accent? No, because this one doesn't make that sound. This one makes the sound. So instead, you write a squaw underneath it. That looks like Maui's hook. It looks like that. I mean, not a squaw,
Ear.
No, it looks like a backwards ear.
It looks like an ear.
Okay, anyway, we haven't really learned that one a lot, so don't worry about drawing that, but I'm just giving you some information that you're going to learn later. Okay, worksheet 24. I'm going to pass out worksheet 24. And my onliners, you're going to do the back and the front and turn it into me, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.